Good morning, fourth grade. So this will be our word study for the week. We are on Unit 10, Week 2. Again, we jumped past Unit 8 and 9 because we wanted to focus on our electricity unit to go with this. So this week we're going to focus on the final E words. And what that means is that I want you to look at the ending sounds of our words this week. So if you look here at journal, pupil, dazzle, and animal, you notice that the ending sounds of those four words all have the same. It's journal, dazzle, pupil, animal. They're all spelt a little bit different, except they do have the same sounds. It kind of sounds like it's like a UHL sound. So that's one of the sounds that we're going to focus on this week. And then if you look over here at these two words, woman, wagon, it kind of sounds like they should end in EN, but they have that same sound. So this week we're going to focus on the journal, the UHL sound at the end. It's not spelled like that, but that's what it sounds like. And then for woman, it's kind of the woman, EN. So they sound like UHL or EN. So what you're going to do with your word sort this week, if you look down here at the AL, you're just kind of looking at that, those last two letters. So journal would be the UHL sound, the ul sound, but it's spelled AL at the end. For the EL, you look at the words up here that end in EL. So if you look at travel, that also has that ul sound at the end, but it's spelled EL at the end. So for your word sort this week, what you would be doing is sorting them based on those final two letters at the end. And again, they have the ul and the N sound. Woman, wagon. It sounds like EN, but it's spelled a little bit different.